field. It's a little chilly out there. It's a little kind of deceptive because it looks gorgeous.
Got all
but
that, right.
It's a little chilly though.
A little wind helps to pull that heat away from your body. It's what it's doing today. And temperatures, though they are in the 60s, it's still, you get a little wind in with them and it makes a difference. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. But that's going to change. We're going to push 70s into the forecast. It will not feel chilly this weekend. Not at all. Even with the wind coming in. That's what's going to happen. Kind of a warmer wind coming in, but it's going to be strong. And it's going to stay a little strong through Monday. That's when it's going to feel chilly again because we're dropping the temperatures down. So wind comes up, temperatures come up, and then they both dramatically come down. So we'll be watching that in the next 7 days. I'll show you that coming up. That's your gust tracker. So that's our first alert for you that we're warming things up. We're even bumping the temperatures up more for the weekend. Air quality, moderate category today, should stay that way. Maybe there'll be some extra dust and sand in the atmosphere, especially coming up for the weekend. But we're also going to warm temperatures up, so you'll notice how wonderful this weekend really turns out. 13 First Alert StatRad, there's nothing doing on there right now. You saw from those blue skies, very nice. But our pattern is going to shift. We warm things up, and then we're going to drop the temperatures back down again. That's the pattern later. Chilly weather coming in. I guess we expect that. We just haven't had a lot of the chilly stuff coming through here. So we haven't seen a lot of those 50-plus degree highs. It's all been 60s and 70s and really so many 70s across the way, and that's what's made all the difference in the world. Take a look, 70s for the weekend. So tomorrow will warm up a little bit more, but just a little bit, but without the wind, you might actually notice it feels good, especially if you're out in the direct sunlight. But for the weekend, we bumped up Saturday's temperature to kind of reflect the trend of warmer weekend. Heat coming into the mix, really, but those strong winds out of the southwest, I think for the most part, it'll just be I don't want to say a warm wind, but it'll certainly be warmer than we've had of late. But then the wind sticks around through early next week, but the temperatures come down dramatically, at least for a couple of days. Notice the 50s showing up and 30s for overnight lows. Boy, we have not seen that in a little while. So we go from 40s, from overnight lows in the 40s to those 30s, and then afternoon highs in the 70s, which is a nice warm up, well above normal, should be in the middle 60s. So we're normal tomorrow, but then we drop the temperatures back down again before we start to slowly warm them up again. So another system coming through is going to bring the wind. It's just not going to bring rain like the last couple systems did this time. Back to you guys.
It's a new twist on an old scam. You've heard of people posing as IRS agents to get your money, but coming up, the new things these scams